Hi everyone, welcome back to Journey of Life, where we share many interesting videos. Our channel is not a place where you will be caged into one topic, where we'll talk about many things. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. Today's video is about how to make aloe vera oil. Aloe vera on skin or hair care products are a multi-billion business. It's worth having a plant or two at your garden, which will helps you make facial packs, oil, hair mask, and also as medical emergencies as burns or skin problems or hair fall. This remedy has two ingredients, aloe vera and coconut oil. Both coconut oil and aloe vera are rich in vitamins and minerals. Both together rejuvenates our skin and hair cells. This oil is perfect to use as a makeup remover and also can be used after shaving or waxing. You need to wash these aloe vera pieces and dip it in water for few minutes. That way you could get rid of some of that yellowish substance which comes out of the aloe vera when you cut it. This yellowish substance may cause allergic reaction or itchy feeling to some skin type. You may use this oil with only the inner gel of the aloe vera leaves, but I prefer with green skin, which also have benefits. To make this oil, you just have to wash your aloe vera leaves, then cut off the spikes and cut it into small pieces, then soak it in water for 5 to 10 minutes, then wipe the aloe vera pieces thoroughly, and you have to blend it using a blender, and then you can start cooking those aloe veras. Applying this oil may exert skin lightening and anti-aging effects. It can heal common skin problems such as healing dark spots, wrinkles, stretch marks, dry skin, prickly heat, nappy rash, panty cuts, minor burns, and acne problem. You could use olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, castor oil for this mixture, but the best is coconut oil because coconut oil and aloe vera makes a blend which stimulates the synthesis of collagen and factors involved in skin repair and hair growth. It works well with hair growth, control hair fall, keep our hair hydrated. It works as a conditioner and nourishes our hair and care dandruff. Make sure you dry your aloe vera pieces well, because if not, after making the oil, the oil will smell like strong pungent smell that you will not like it. So make sure you wipe it very well. I'm gonna blend my aloe vera pieces now. I have wiped it well. I have washed and wiped my blender cup as well. Now I'm gonna keep the empty pan in the fire for few minutes. This way you can have a water-free pan. Make sure you keep the stove in low fire and add coconut oil and blended aloe vera into the pan. I'm gonna add my 500 ml coconut oil into my heating pan. And I will be adding 2 cups of blended aloe vera into this oil. You could use this oil to your hair in day or night and go on sun, but avoid using this oil to your skin if you're planning out of going out in the sun, because this will tan your skin. It's always best to use this oil as an overnight treatment, otherwise daytime it's going to darken your skin. I will not stop mixing my oil because I don't want my mixture to burn. So I'm taking my oil mixture out of the fire every now and then out of the frame, stirring it and put it back on the flame. That way you don't overcook your oil. Overcooking your oil destroys the nutrients in the oil and the aloe vera. This process will take 1 to 1.5 hours because of the slow cooking procedure. Once the aloe vera is starting to fry, you will hear a frying noise and the aloe vera will start getting golden green color. That's when you switch off your stove and keep your aloe vera overnight to rest. My aloe vera oil has been cooling overnight. Now I'm gonna stain it and pour it into my bottle. Now if you want to use this oil for long, you have to keep it in a dry area where you can where the sun can reach the oil, so in that way the oil will not get any fungus. It will be fresh, green and lasting until you use all your oil. Make sure you clean and wipe your dishes, bottles and aloe vera without water, because water can cause a damp pungent smell to your oil and you will not like it at all. Okay then, hope today's video is useful. If you still have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and join the fun club. See you with another video. Till then, I everyone from Aishi. Bye bye. See ya. Take care. Stay safe.